everyone, Coach Lottie Ann Silvis. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Call to action is pay attention to this video. All right, I'm going to talk about building an audience. All right, you got to present an audience. The first thing you need to do is give you your first impression is what's going to help your audience to stay connected with your video. So you got to show your audience who you are. And my impression with you all is engagement. Engagement is so important to drive audience to your channel. Now, if you're creating a YouTube channel, you need to learn how to do this. All right. You have to develop and engage community to your channel, and this is the way to bring subscribers and fans to your channel. So, the good old days, all right, used to be the TV, your broadcast to viewers, the radio and all. But now it is all technology is new. The new way of communicating online is through videos. All right, developing your YouTube channel. All right, YouTube channel is built with your videos about branding who you are, letting people know who you are, what you do best. All right, so you got to build that audience of curiosity. You got to build that audience to those that are interested in about you. You got to connect with people with the same niche that are interested with you. And you got to engage with other YouTube influencers that are the same niche as you. All right. Also, another way to build your audience is promotion. Do organic promotion, collaboration, finding somebody else as a YouTube influencer, make a video with them. That's another way to build and grow your audience. So determine what you want your audience to do. What is the most important thing that you want your audience to do is to watch. The watch time, okay, needs of your views of your videos has to be a regular, and you need to feed good content on your video for them to stay on your videos. All right, this has to be a process. It's got to be regular. You got to have a great impression of creating great content, engaging with other viewers, watching their videos to also engage with them. Engagement is what's going to lengthen your video by creating great content, all right, of what you are presenting to them, what they need. Okay, it's all about what other people need. When you draw attention to other people's needs and giving them the answer, they're going to stay longer on your video because they are drawn to the information and the great content that you are actually sharing. So the more engagement you need to do more. And the more you do, you will develop fans. And the more you promote, you will develop subscribers and more fans. You have to be very convincing, and you got to give them your first impression. You got to have a great channel. Another great way to get views and more subscribers is doing live videos. All right. And that's a great way to get more watch time hours for you if you're wanting to get your channel monetized. The best way to get more watch time hours is to make more live videos. All right. You also got to communicate with people what you want when you're talking to them in your video. You got to let them know, hey, subscribe to my channel, connect with me, collaborate with me. You tell them what you want. You tell them what to do. All right. People will be drawn. If you tell them what to do, they will actually subconsciously do what you do. If you tell them to subscribe to your channel, they will subscribe to your channel. If you tell them to leave a comment, they will leave a comment. Uh, and you got to be in control. You got to tell your followers what to do, and you will have better communication. You will have a better audience that can communicate with you. You have to actually um, be the first engagement with them before they can ever follow you. If you don't say anything, how in the world can they engage with you if you do not connect with them, if you don't tell them what to do? um, you tell them you want to grow your channel, you tell them you need help, you tell them to share your videos. You can do anything. You're in control over your channel. um, so um, Leaving comments and over their videos too, connecting with them, communicating with them. Engagement is really important. Another way to grow your channel is find a successful channel and start collaborating with other YouTube viewers. Majority of the YouTube influencers are actually in the bigger channels. They are connecting with the successful ones that are that have that are already successful channels, and they're leaving their comments and their views. And um, that's another way how you can find brand new subscribers to your channel. All right, guys, I hope this has helped you all. This is how you build an audience. You want to build a YouTube channel with better views, more subscribers, then click on the link below and subscribe to my channel, because I'm actually going to help you, give you great content, how to get yourself promoted. And I'm going to actually share with you other other places where you can actually promote your channel organically. And I've been having some great success with some of the websites that I have been visiting. I'm actually getting more viewers and engaging more personal contacts with people actually looking at my videos. And these are real people. They're not bots from people that don't know you. These are people that actually engage and watch your views of your videos and connect with you. And I've been successful in some of the sites I have been, and I'm going to actually share them with you in another video. So if you're interested, connect with me, subscribe to my channel, and you will find a video about what I am doing online, and what has become successful for me can also be successful for you. All right, so I'm looking for people that want to take action like me. I'm looking for people that are serious online and they want to grow their channel. So if you want to be a strong influencer, connect with me, because I am connecting with other strong influencers too that are already successful with their YouTube channel. All right, talk soon. Call to action. Click on the link below. Follow my mentor, Wesley Virgin. He is actually going to help you to get started with your successful mindset. All right, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.